Matogoretio ni mũmbunge wa Garissa Town Dekol Mohamed mwigite gikuũ kia mwana wao Mohamed Sahal akimatigite na kĩama kuona mwĩrĩ wake wonekanire mita nini kuma KAMBI-INI ARARUTAGIRA WIRA. Nimareganite na riboti iria irekereirio ya ati niwe werutire muoyo makienda ABITHAA RUHONGE rwa DCI gũtabania ũthuthuria baraginyo wa kĩrĩa gĩathire na mbere.
Brother wangu aliuliwa. Angekuwa amecommit suicide according to their history, that's not a suicidal thing. It is not. Because whoever does suicide, if you check the picture well, that's not a suicidal thing.
Tunashinda kujua kwamba huyu mtu alikuwa anafanya kazi na alikuwa kwenye kambi ya serikali. Lakini tumesikia ya kwamba huyu alikuwa ameuawa karibu na hiyo camp, ambapo mlango ya camp ndio ameuawa. Na tunashuku ya kwamba huyu ameuawa na wale watu wako karibu au wafanyakazi kati yao waliofanya kazi pamoja na wao.
Mareko Sahal aya gukuroragirwo ni muratawe maruthanagia wira nake. Kamando wa Vredi Garissa Sabasa akioria family kugĩa na wetereri kuona ũthuthuria wa postmortem no ũrathie na mbere na moimĩrĩra ma ũthuthuria wa gwethana na kĩrĩa kĩamũrĩire nĩ magũkorwo makirekererio ica ikuhĩ.
As the family or as member of parliament for Hussein, we highly suspect his death to be very mysterious, and there was foreplay in the circumstances in which he died. The young officer was a very dedicated young man, serving his country at the border, trying to defend the country from insurgents from across the country. And unfortunately, his death is a very big shocker to us as a family and as the leader, which happened yesterday. So as a family, we suspect that there was a foul play because the circumstances surrounding his death is not clear.
The specimen has been taken and to be forwarded to the government chemist for toxicology. So after the result, that's when now we make a conclusion on to what really caused the death of the deceased officer. I'm urging members of the family to stay calm. Let us give our officers time to do a thorough investigation, just as the doctor has briefed the family that the officers doing investigation has to go back to the scene to do more, to ascertain the part of investigation so that we have a good conclusion on the cause of death.
Nigikuũ gĩcũngĩrĩirie family ĩno gũthiĩ mũgarũ na ũndũire na wĩtĩkio wa Gĩithĩramu kuona nĩ ũreganaga na mũtugo wa mũndũ gũtabanĩrio postmortem.
Don't just take it casually. As you know, we as a community usually don't carry out postmortem when somebody dies. But this one we had to wait so that we establish why he died.